sandwiches. This is your girl Maya, and I want to talk about hacking your push-ups. So I'm going to show you 3 super easy ways you can make push-ups easier so that you will begin to love doing push-ups, because I truly believe the easier we can make something, the more we're going to want to do it, because we're going to get better at it, and then we're going to get stronger, and then keep doing it, which makes us even more stronger and more competent and feel more capable. So I'm going to show you 3 hacks. Stay to the end. I'm going to share with you which one of the 3 is my favorite, because it is the easiest thing we can do. So let's go. Cue the intro. Push-ups. Before I show you the hacks, make sure you subscribe and make sure you press the bell, bing, so you don't miss any of this awesome high energy content. And guys, the biggest thing about push-ups is the wrist, right? So you're probably having a hard time in push-up world because you probably have a lack of mobility in your wrist and a lack of strength. So please check out my previous tutorials. I really broke down the wrist mobility and the wrist strengthening. This video is just a wrist hack. So it's for you that have already been mobilizing and are strengthening, but you still want to make it a little bit easier. This is the video for you. And let's start with elevation. When we elevate our hands, we're putting less stress and less pressure on our wrist, which will make push-up world easier. So you can start at the wall. Check out my very first YouTube tutorial where I talked about how you can progress from the wall down to the floor. But what we're gonna do is elevation. So I'm gonna use an ottoman here. You can use an ottoman, you can use a bench, you can use the wall, you can use anything that elevates you up, a tabletop. I've got this ottoman already right here. So what I would do is, boom, just like this, my life is easier because I'm 2 feet off the ground than when I'm over here. So elevation is your biggest friend. And don't be a freaking ego monster on this. So many people think, I ain't elevating, yo. I ain't no pussy. Yo, elevate that. Get yourself, learn how to do the proper anatomy. Check out the push-up video, because when you start elevating, you start learning how to have that perfect plank body, how to retract your shoulders, and how to do push-ups better. And when you can do it better in an elevated position, when you make it down to the ground, you're gonna be doing proper push-ups, which gives you more benefits overall. And isn't that the point? For benefits and to see the results of your body changing and getting stronger every day. So that's hack number 1. Hack number 2 is alignment, okay? This one is so easy, and you can easily achieve proper alignment with a couple of dumbbells. What I mean about alignment is that when we're doing push-ups, our wrists are in the extension position. So when we align it, we're gonna create less strain on our wrist joints because it's gonna be stacked. So what I would do is I would grab some dumbbells, boom, just like that. My wrists are nice and stacked. And then now I've got that nicer alignment and way less wrist pain, way less pressure, and just making my life a whole lot better in push-up world. If you don't have dumbbells, you can use parallettes, faux show. These guys will make your life so much easier. Plus, they're gonna give you better range of motion. So check it out. I'm aligned, I'm stacked. I can even go deeper. My elbows stay back. And it just feels so much better than when you're in that extension there. And you can easily achieve alignment by doing push-ups on your knuckles. So check this out. Boom. I've replicated the same alignment and the same stacking as if I had a dumbbell or a push-up bar, but all I did was use my knuckles. So stack them up. Make sure that your shoulders are stacked. Engage push-up sequence. And boom. You got that alignment. You're gonna feel stronger. You're gonna take away the pain, and you're gonna be hacking your push-ups. Now, number 3 is the eccentric. So fair enough, I would say people struggle with push-ups when you're pushing yourself up, right? Thus, it's called the push-up. So if you're having a hard time pushing yourself up, focus on the eccentric, so the part where you're pushing yourself down. And that's gonna make you so much stronger so that eventually you can push yourself up. So what I mean is, when you're in your push-up world, slowly go down. I would say challenge yourself for a 3 to 5 second count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest a bit, and then go ahead up onto your knees and reset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push yourself up on your knees, and then go again. So, whoo! The reason why we want to focus on the eccentric is because it will, seriously, that's where you build muscle, that's where you get stronger, and then eventually you won't need to put yourself on your knees to push yourself up. You'll be able to push yourself up. But for now, this part is, the down part is usually easier for people than the up part. So focus on that. Take your butt with you as well. Don't just do that. Take your whole body with you. 4. Knees drop, push up, and reset. Whew. So those are your 3 hacks. Which one is my favorite and why? Bum, bum, bum. Do I even need to say why? Dude, knuckles. Push-ups on the knuckle at any time without any equipment, without any fancy bars, any fancy perfect push-up equipment material that they're selling. Anytime I need to, I can go and make a fist and bang out my push-ups. So that is my favorite hack because it is the easiest and it's totally free. Comment below, let me know what your favorite hack is. If I've missed anything, share with me. I'd love to know what you do to make your life in push-up world so much more better and fun and easy. And make sure you share this video with any friends that really struggle with push-ups. Like, comment, please subscribe. I'm here every Tuesday and every Friday. And oh, check out the description box. I have a bunch of freebies in there for you. Hook yourself up, and I'll see you next time.